So we just got the Breeze XL in the mail. We're going to go ahead and get it opened up and see what the two cats like. Are you excited? The old litter system would just leave a big mess everywhere. In fact, just cleaned it up all off of the floor. There's one of those self-cleaning litters, but they both actually clogged up the sensors, so it stops cleaning altogether. So I manually had to clean it, which kind of defeats the purpose of a self-cleaning litter box. But here with the Breeze XL, we're kind of excited for the way that it's going to separate the hard stuff from the wet stuff. It's like one of the cats, he's a little shy, so he ran away already. So in the box, it just kind of comes all put together, it looks like, actually. A little nervous about it, sure. Something new. So it's very simple. Just take it out of the box and it looks like it's almost ready to go. Got our bag of pads here. Looks like we got 4 of them in the refill. Got a scoop, which looks like it actually just kind of hangs on the side. That's kind of nice. You got the top piece, so this will be really helpful. So this was the main reason that the litter was getting sprayed out everywhere in my previous litter box. It didn't have any like high walls like this one does. So when they go to like scoop it or push it around, it just goes everywhere. So we got the other layer here to kind of direct the liquid into the filter area. Got our instruction manual here. It kind of describes how to put the pads in the tray. Here's the tray. Yeah, it looks pretty simple. Got a couple bags of litter here to kind of get it started. I think I'll read through the instructions and get this put together, and we'll see how they enjoy it. You guys excited? I know I am. Thanks for watching.